Okay, so ito na. Where na? Okay, so ito na yung inihintay ko. Oh yeah. Ay! Sige, yan lang. Tawa ka, bro! Okay, so ito yung... Sige, dyan na lang. Okay na yun dyan.
4,175 po.
Okay.
Naku, magkano yan?
Secret muna. Okay, dali. Anin natin doon. Tayo mag-assemble.
Dito tayo mag-picture.
Anong dito tayo? Sa loob yan.
Sarap mo nga iPad.
Oh yeah.
Wow, integrated. Hindi ka pwede maglagay dyan na kung ano-ano.
Oh?
Lagay ka ng...
Oh?
Ha? So as you can see here, na unbox na namin yung mismong unit. Pagkahugot mo ng bike, makita mo na puro padding siya, well protected. Also nakakabit na rin yung rear wheel. So at this point naman, ang kailangan mo lang ikabit is yung front wheel, and then yung cockpit, yung seat post and saddle, and then yung pedals. And you're pretty much good to go with those, with just those. Wala kang masyadong babaguhin. I guess kailangan mo lang sigurong pumunta sa bike shop para ipatono ng konti yung rear derailleur, pero it's pretty much good to go once na nakabit mo na yung apat na yon.
Ingay naman. Ang ingay na naman ay. Battery case wala ka lalagay?
Ayan na.
Dali.
Hi, what's up guys? So ngayon ay ibabike check lang natin itong aking bagong bike. This is the Twitter Cyclone Pro 2021. This is one of the high-end bikes ng Twitter. This is actually the base model na pwede mo makuha. This is equipped with the SRAM Rival group set, SRAM Rival 22, including the crankset actually, which is like one of the rarest things when it comes to like Chinese carbon bikes. And yes, this is a carbon bike. It is made out of T1000 composite carbon. And also this comes with an integrated stem handlebar drop bar. As you can see, wala siyang visible na cables outside. This is fully integrated. One of the reasons why I bought this is because like I wanted a bike that's like already good right out of the box. Like I had plans before na mag-build ng bike, like ang budget ko is around 80 to 100. That includes like wheel sets, group sets, basically the whole thing, 80 to 100. This cost me all in all around 80,000. Ang SRP nito is 74,999. So basically 75,000. I think nung unang best na nilabas to, ang available is dalawang versions, dalawang variant. Yun yung carbon wheel sets with the Ultegra R8000 and R8020 na group set. Yung R8000, I believe, nasa 97,000 yon, which includes the carbon wheel set. And then yung R8020 was around 110. Now, hindi ko yun, it's within the range naman ng budget ko, pero hindi ko siya kinonsider. Mainly because like a few weeks ago, nag-release ang SRAM ng ETAP version nitong Rival. So, it's around 35 to 40,000 with the Bluetooth shifters and Bluetooth rear derailleur and front derailleur. Yung crankshaft naman, hindi ko kailangan ng power meter, which is included dun sa version ng ano na yun, ng Rival. I don't think na kailangan ko yun. So kung pipiliin ko yung Ultegra, and then I'm planning din naman na i-upgrade ito to yung ETAP version, I think redundant lang kasi sayang lang din yung gagastos ako ng premium na group set, which eventually papalitan ko rin naman ng mas premium pa. I think this is a good compromise. Ang nakalagay dito na pedals ko is yung Chinese version ng Speedplay. Binibreakin ko pa lang din siya, so medyo tricky, nag-a-adjust pa rin ako sa pag clip in. But yeah, overall thoughts, I've ridden this for about maybe 250 to 350 kilometers na. Siguro 1 month na rin to sa amin. I can't remember kung kailan ko in-order to, pero it was like at the beginning of April, sometime around then. Yeah, so minessage ko si Sir Makoy Soriano, and na-message ko na rin siya before, pero ang dati ang available na version lang sa kanila is yung high-end-ish. Initially talaga, ang nakita kong gusto kong bilhin is yung Stealth Pro na integrated din yung handlebar drop bars and fully hidden din yung cables. Pero naisip ko, gagastos na rin naman ako ng around 50 to 60 para dun sa version na yon. Might as well get itong itong Cyclone Pro, which is like the higher end right now ng kanilang lineup. I think nireplace nito yung Beretta and then yung Cobra. Geometry, I feel na mas mahaba siya ng konti compared dun sa mga aero designs, which is similar to yung mga aero designs ng mga premium bikes with the Pinarello and Trek. Oversized yung kanilang mga aero designs na bike. In terms of like shape, ang pinakamalapit talaga na shape na I'm envisioning dito sa Cyclone Pro is yung Pinarello F12, F10, F12 design. Ang pinagkaiba lang niya is yung fork and yung seat stay. Meron siyang very distinct na design, pero in terms of like geometry, kahawig niya yung Pinarello. Pinakang main reason is also itong top tube na to. Meron siyang slight curve. Yun yung I think pinagkunan ng inspiration ng design na to. In terms of durability, hindi ko pa masasabi kasi bago lang siya. Wala naman ako nakikita ng mga defects. Oh yeah, wait lang. Dito sa part na dito, sa yung ilalim ng steerer tube, yung pagitan ng mismong fork tsaka nung frame sa unahan, hindi pulido yung yung pagkakagawa sa kanya eh. May jagged parts na visible dun sa pagitan, dun sa mismong edge. And yun lang yung, I would say, mismong gripe ko dito. May parts na hindi pulido, pero overall the design, it's super pristine, super high-end ang design, and I would say like I'm very happy with this decision. Oh my God.